been a while since the last vlog that I uploaded. So today is October 13th. I am fixing my stuff because mag-transfer kami ngayon temporarily. It's been so long since the last vlog, so I am going to have this little chit chat with you guys, with myself. Super parang naging busy din ako. I've been inactive with my YouTube channel, my diary, and before October started, my mental health is not giving. I had this mini breakdown. Mini breakdown ba yun? I cried for 2 days and I thought it's because of my hormones, because I have a menstruation. That time, it's the time of the month. By that time also, I was alone here in our dorm. But then yun, also I have nothing to content. Sabi ko, my next vlog would be a study vlog, pero I've been so unproductive kasi the first week, last week pala, when October started, we had our acquaintance. Hindi ko rin na-film yun. And then the next day, I've been just sleeping the whole day. That night of our acquaintance, naulanan ako and then I drank water na yung sa department namin, which I didn't know where it came from. So, the next day, I just slept the whole day. Hindi ako naligo ng gabing yun nung naulanan kami. My tummy hurts. I think amoeba attacks. And my body was really so painful, especially my back. I don't know, parang hindi ko na kaya mag-stand. But still the next day, the Monday, I went to school and be a student. Meron pang flag ceremony, but I didn't attend the flag ceremony. So, now naman, like what I said kanina, I'm fixing my gamit because we're temporarily staying downstairs kasi aayusin daw yung room dito sa taas. So, also, this week is our midterm season na. And wala pa kami na-study ni isa. Feel like every time I read, I feel so sleepy. Every time I use my phone, I don't feel so sleepy. So guys, update. Tapos ang lakas ng ulan, like yung thunder and yung storm. Thunderstorm. Ang lakas ng ulan, like grabe talaga yung kidlat kanina. So I'm going to have pasit kanto na sa dinner. Tapos bumili ako ng Sprite. Tapos bumili ako ng kape kasi I need to study for later. And hindi mo lang mag-aaros. Naglalaba ako. Hi guys, update. It's 8 AM na. Did you hear the alarm? Ganyan yan every hour. So, today is I am studying for our Genza Rizology. So, tapos ayun. It's day 2 and it's last day and wala akong study after lunch. Hi guys, get ready with me running late edition. It's 6:31. I have 4 minutes. So we have our flag ceremony. Oh my god, the fuck. So yun na nga guys, nalaglag yung phone and meron kaming flag ceremony. So I have to go there early kasi merong attendance. Hi guys! So I just woke up and parang naisip ko. Sorry sa audio guys, I just woke up na. And ang lakas na electric fan, parang propeller. Naisip kong mag-what's in my bag kasi pinaplan ko na talaga yun. Hindi ko lang ma-timing since gusto ako mag-vlog at yung mga kasama ko ganun. So this is Kabagan Musing. This is a gift from my mom. Like kahapon na lang binigay. Sabi niya ano daw, birthday gift. So my birthday will be on Monday. So dito, meron kang 3 zippers. And meron isa, dalawa, tapos 1 in the middle. So dito tayo sa first zipper. So, I have here my 1/4 size yellow pad kasi ngayong umaga is our UTS and it is a much needed paper kasi yan yung always namin ginagamit pag nag-quiz yung reporting. Also, I have here my pencil. I also have here my correction tape and eraser. Tapos, I also have here my whiteboard marker and my 3 pens. Hindi na ako nagdala ng pencil case kasi meron kasi ditong lagayan and ito. So, ito yung parang placement ng card ko. Sa first is dito naman sa gitna. Ito lang siya. Mga wallet. This one is, ito yung kit ko, hygiene kit, kit. Pero, yung laman liptin, tissue, alcohol, tapos, perfume, na-refill. Kasi super laki yung perfume ko, diba? Yung 250 ml. Also have here my wallet. This is not the wallet that I'm using, pero dinadala ko siya kasi may mga big amount siya. Next naman is dito na sa second. Super dami na naman nito. Just my binder notebook for the fitness. So ito siya. Tapos may dito zipper na hindi ko pa siya nilalagay kasi wala akong ilagay. Hindi ko naman kasi di ako nagdadala ng super maraming gamit. Since tig-isang subject lang naman. Ay, tig-isa't dalawa lang yung subject. So, right now, nag-highlights ako ng bota namin. Kasi, nung midterms, we did exam for bota. Kasi malilate daw siya ng exam. Since parang mayroon pa kami mga topics to tackle. So, right now, dapat botany namin. At hindi siya nag-class kasi mag-study na lang kami. So, this is 117 slides and 13 pages yung lecture ko. Yung natapos ko pa lang is 3 pages. And today is Monday pala. Today is a Monday and I am planning mamaya na lang next week kasi kakabisi ko lang bro.